No. If there is a different elevation, then possible.
Yeah, that could be possible, but it will be a minimum flow, whatever in the screen camper is there, that will go only by flow.
Most likely not.
Yeah.
No river, no river.
And there is a check wall, so
It will not bypass.
it will not bypass.
So that
It will be stagnant in the tank.
That is okay. Less temperature, no. More pressure, we have seen pump discharge. No and more flow. Low pressure in no and more flow. Level already we have seen high level and overflow. Less level we have seen, but no additional concern. Mixing, no additional concern. We will take into the air blower. Service failure, no additional concern. And other no concern. Any concern for maintenance? Guys, any concern for maintenance?
Sir,
Any concern for maintenance in this node?
not possible.
Not like you have the washing system. na?
Yeah, there is a washing system, a pressurized washing system.
Yeah.
So that can remove everything down.
Right. Right.
Yeah, the screen will rotate, and there is a pressurized service water connection is there, and there. Yeah, and then it will come down all down in the chamber.
The service water failure during the configuration maintenance thing.
No, sir. No, sir.
Of this solenoid valve.
Yeah, that is also failure. na? Solenoid with service water, no service water. They are the consequences.
And solenoid.
Then you can write if a solenoid valve failure, then this unit is stopped, other unit will be stopped.
Yeah. Correct.
You have to,
Okay, solenoid valve closure.
no, in the service failure.